Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's Tutorial. Today's topic is a letter writing. Write a letter to your friend advising him or her to visit the public library daily. Your address, date. Dear friend, I received your letter yesterday. I am very glad to know that you are well. I am writing this letter to suggest that you visit the public library daily. Public library is a place where many people study attentively. You can read many books, newspapers, magazines, and journals there. Regular visits will help to improve your knowledge and vocabulary. I know that there is a good public library in your locality. If you go there and study books, you will acquire knowledge on various subjects. Even you can borrow books to study at home. Spending an hour in the library every day will definitely make your study more effective. I have started visiting the library regularly and it helped me a lot. I am sure you will like it too. No more today, more when we meet. Please do visit the library soon and tell me your experience. Yours ever, own name, friend address. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.